Hello guys, my name is Lucia Jayce. I'll be doing a makeup tutorial for beginners. There is a lot of makeup gurus just like James Charles, Jeffreestar, and Patrickstarrr, although those are the people I do look up to. So go ahead and continue watching this video, and let me take off this raggedy ass hat that I bought at the fucking swap meet. Anyway, you guys enjoy the video. Alright guys, so the first thing we're gonna start off with is gonna be the MAC Prep Primer. It goes for, I believe, $30, and you spray that all over your face. So he had to run my video. What that does, guys, that I believe it moisturizes your skin. So when you put it on your foundation, your concealer, and your what the fuck is that called? The setting powder, I think. And then a fucking plate passes by. Alright guys, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab the brush. This is a brush called Real Techniques. I got this brush at Ulta. That's like my favorite store. I even got a credit card from them, but I canceled that shit ASAP because I ain't got enough time for that. I would be a fucking bankrupt bitch. So I just needed 2 pumps. And you're gonna spread this all over your face. I use a brush, but a lot of people use their finger. And make that bitch all over your face, on your double chin. Bitch, hide that shit. Make sure you get every corner of your face, and then you want to do like a circular motion. Make sure you get everything. You want to make sure you get every side of the face. Foundation, bitch. Work. Yes, queen. You wanna contour your face, bitch? Then I'm gonna go ahead and get the Morphe concealer. I believe this was $8. Not bad. Bitch. That's clean. And then you blend the shit out of the fucking concealer. Ain't nobody want them dark eye bags. Oh, by the way, see guys, this is also an e.l.f. brush. Who's excited for the new Jeffreestar Cosmetics, the Thirsty Palette? I am. I'm broke as shit, but I'm gonna see if I can manage to get one. I got bills to pay, you know, but that shit ain't stopping me. And after you've, finished cleaning out all your foundation, go ahead and get the setting powder. This is a COVERGIRL, and then I use the e.l.f. brush for setting powder. I bought this shit at CVS, bitch. Ain't nobody got time to be spending fucking $50 on it. And so, brush that's still gonna fucking peel off the shit. Facts. Make sure you cake the shit out of your face.
Cake the fuck out of your face, bitch. Fuck that shit up. Fuck up your face. Get everything out, get everything. What the hell, let me ask that shit.
That's all I do. I'm a natural bitch. I don't need all that. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyelashes. People do curler first and then the eyelash, but I think, yeah, I do this first. I got time. And then I poke my fucking eye out right now. I do like 3 seconds, guys. Oh, until when you think that's perfect, let go of that bitch. And then I'm gonna do the Great Lash. I'm sure, I don't know. So yes, bitch, work, get them eyelashes done, pick them bitches up, cause you know, bitch, I just hit my fucking eye, and then look what the fuck happened to my eyelash, and then, bitch, I'm telling you, guys, this is a makeup for beginners, maybe worse, but I am trying, guys, I am trying. And then life hack for what I do, like if this happens, just get your foundation brush and go like this. I don't got time to be getting the wipes. And it works like a charm. Yes, guys, yes. There you go, bitch. This is the makeup finishing look for beginners. I am practicing my eyeshadow on the Morphe palette 350. So you guys might have to come back for a video later on that if you guys want to see a continuation of how I do my eyeshadow, how I do my eyebrows. Give this video a like button. Please subscribe. Thank you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys soon. Bye. I look up to. So basically, bitch, I just forgot what I was gonna say. Oh my god.